Good morning, students. Today I will teach you paragraph number 6. See, Mahendran, this little kitty's name is Mahendran. Mridu was impressed. It was a real name, not just a cute kitty cat name. So, hearing the name of Mahendran, Mridu thought that she said that really it was a real name, Mahendran, because Ravi told her that her kitty's name is Mahendran. So actually his full name is Mahendra Verma Pallavas Ponnai, MP Ponnai for short if you like. The Ravi said that his full name is, he described the full name of kitties means Mahendra Burman. In short form you can say MP Ponnai for short if you like. So this means Ravi told Mridu that in short form kitty's name you can say MP Ponnai. So he is a fine breed of cat, and further Ravi told Mridu that it is a very good cat. It is a spice of a very good cat, and just look at his fur like a lion's mane. Lion's mane means you have seen that a long hair on the neck of a lion. It was like that means lions means it had long hair on neck. So it was like a lion's mane means the baby of a lion. And you know what the emblem of the ancient Pallavas king was, don't you? He looked expectantly at Mridu. Means after describing all the qualities of kitties, he said that it is like the emblem of our, you have seen the emblem of our nation. That cat is like that emblem, and you don't know about that emblem. He looked expectantly at Mridu. Mridu giggled. Giggled means Mridu laugh in a silly way. Think I am joking. Well, just wait. I will show you sometime. So Mridu giggled means Mridu laughed in a silly way. Saying this, Ravi said, wait, I will show you something. It's clear you don't know a thing about history. And Ravi said, you are not aware of history. I will show you. Wait. So she have not been to Mahabalipuram, have you? So he said that you did not go to Mahabalipuram. He said mysteriously, well, when our class went to Mahabalipuram, I saw a statue of his Thathas, and etc. Fact is, Mahendra here is descended from that very same ancient cat. Means here Ravi was describing that kitty in a very enormous way. Very, he was not, he was showing that kitty like a lion, and he told that once he went to Mahabalipuram, his class fellows also went there, and he told that means it is the descendant of, it is the descendant means comes from the that family, means Pallavas family, the Pallavas line emblem of the Pallavas dynasty. Fact is, Mahendra here is descended from that very same, speaking of none other than the lion, the Pallava lion, emblem of the Pallava dynasty. Ravi went on walking around the bitter berry bush In this way, he was walking and telling all the stories of that kitty to Mridu, and he went to walking that bitter means bitter is a native woody deciduous and thickest forming large scrub. So that he went to that near that scrub and waving a in this way students Ravi described that kitty in a very enormous way, means very beautifully he described that kitty in this way students. Thank you. I will teach you next paragraph next.